Today we're in Haslet again, looking at these beautiful homes. It's a new neighborhood. So if you're in market for a home, there's some more homes up here in Haslet for you. Again, this is Sam Limo with Better Homes and Gardens. Today we are looking at this beautiful home for my clients. All right, let's look at this beautiful home.
That is going to be a house there?
Eventually.
Eventually, I would think.
Come in. We meet her right here. We got our office. All right. Laundry area. And we got the 5 bedrooms here. Bathroom. Okay, living area, open space, kitchen. This house will be complete by the end of the month. All right. This is the master bedroom. See dual sink on opposite side. Get the shower right there. Walk-in closet. Need closet in here. Some extra space there. Alright, I'll go upstairs. We have another 3 bedrooms. Okay, open cam room here. We do have a media room. First bedroom up here. Good size closet. Bathroom here. Another bedroom up here. And another bedroom up here. So we basically got 5 bedrooms. Another bathroom up here. Alright, let's go look at the back. Right here, and a huge backyard. Alright, so this is Sam Limo with Better Homes and Gardens. If you're ready for your next tour, please reach out to me. I'm here to show you this home. So we are in Haslet today, and let's continue your next tour. Thank you.